Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to install Nodemon. As you saw before that when we make changes in our code, each time we have to run our server again. So that is very hectic. So for solve that problem, we have a package that name is Nodemon. So npm I Nodemon, write in your terminal. All right. So go to your packages and you can see after installation that here is dependency, and inside that we have Node1. So now we don't have to restart our server each time when we change in our code. So what if I npm start uh, wait a minute. What if I write um npm run nodemon index server.js user that sorry Nodemon server.js Nodemon can find trigger npm start Nodemon server.js. Nodemon is not recognized. So first close the terminal and then restart again. I hope it will work fine. So Nodemon. Now if I write Nodemon Nodemon server.js, I hope it works. Sorry, Nodemon. So there is another way to replace this node to Nodemon and then right here and then run npm start. I hope it works. Yeah. So if I go to our localhost 8000 on which our server is running, then you can see our code works fine. Our server works fine. So we can handle another route here, which is our home page, and it says hello from home page. As you can see, we just control S and it automatically retrigger or rerun our server, and we don't have to manually run our server again and again. So it's very helpful. Now when I hit enter, you can see here is our message hello from home page. So that's how you can install Nodemon. It's very easy. So the next thing we will see that how methods work. By default, the browser hits request as I am entered. This request goes to backend, and the method of that request is get. By default, the browser hit request is its by default method is get. So Let me verify. You- What if I want to log here? Full log request dot method request dot method. You can see it is our request dot method, and let's see what we get. As you can see, we got cat. So basically, it's a get request. So we can say that if I have method request dot method, if it is get, then only allow to log this method message. For example, if contact us method is get, then we want to send this, and if we say that its method is post, then because it is possible that the same URL have different methods, and based on different methods, API behaves differently. So that's why we have to handle these methods as well, and based on checking these methods, we want to perform our task. So now test this again. All right, it works fine. What if I write post? For example, I want that if our method is post, then I want to log this. But as you know, the by default method is get. So none of these conditions will match. So we should what throw for not found. Hit the request. All right, as you can see, we found we got this message. So these how it is works, and in the next video we will see how to handle these methods, and we also see how to use Postman for handling different API requests and different types of methods. So in the next video, we will see how to use Postman efficiently. Stay tuned for the next update. And by the way, there is also kind of thing that we send response.status code, response.status. So we will also see in the next video. Take care, Allah Hafiz.